Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I'll show how to print from Canva. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up your Canva app on your PC or laptop and then open up that project that you'd like to print. So I'm going to click on this random one here. Alright, now that's loaded and there's no real option to print this inside Canva. You've got, for this example, you've got print postcard, but it's going to cost you money. So there you go, 50 postcards for $26. So you don't want to do that, or you can, but if you want to do it for free, you can click on the share button here, and then you want to download that to your files. And mind you can edit all this stuff as you know inside Canva. So yeah, click on download to download this project, and this will get saved into your folder inside of your PC or laptop. So I'm going to save it to downloads, and now from there, if I click onto my downloads, there it is there. So if I go ahead and open that, alright, this is opened up, and now to print this, simply click on the print button here and then choose your printer and continue with the printing setup. So I'm going to go ahead and print now, but it's not set up. So yeah, that's it guys, how to print from Canva. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.